What a wonderful day. Let me go to car wash place. Finally, that was far. What is that red button? From that, okay, I will push the red button. Nice. Let me see the car wash has any topics. Whoa! A mysterious unknown. This looks treacherous. Whoa, what is this?
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
So, I have to find a secret code for this cave door. Wait, is this a paper code? No! But where is the freaking code for a subway door? Where should it be? I don't really know. Wait, what does that say? Veritas Vincent. An evidence code, but where is the letter code? Come on, give me the establishment code immediately. But what does it mean? I'm tired, let me go to sleep currently. Can I write on it? Yes! Let me write something scary. Okay, does it work? Not yet. What happens when I am insignificant? Let me write on it again. Does it work? No! Nightmare nah, what this again? An SCP or something. A glitches. Oh no, the time. 10 second. Oh no. I don't want to be dead. Goodbye, that was very good, thanks for contemplating everyone. By the way, you can check out the Confidence Door in the Brookhaven game on Roblox.